Workplace safety isn't optional. It's essential. For machinery maintenance, the traditional manual processes rely on outdated checklists, scattered approvals, and human oversight. Without a streamlined system, energy sources can be misidentified and critical protocols can be skipped. And every missed step increases the chance of accidents and equipment damage. ViXR Engage's AI-powered LoTo module transforms your maintenance procedures. ViXR's AI-driven energy source mapping automatically identifies and categorizes all power sources. Our step-by-step guidance tailors lockout instructions based on machine specifications, reducing errors and improving adherence to safety protocols. With automation in the approval workflow, ViXR Engage routes lockout requests to the right personnel, tracking approval status in real time. Incident prediction analyzes historical data, flagging potential hazards before they escalate into serious issues. Reduce risks, streamline operations, and ensure compliance with AI-driven precision. ViXR Engage, AI-powered safety with zero compromise.